Okay, talk to me about originality on the internet, right? Because do you think there are any original ideas? I find it very strange because as a generation, all of us are now weirdly products of the same pop culture,
Yeah.
right? And now as I'm growing up, and sometimes it happens like in my writing jobs, कुछ मुझे लिखना होता है, कुछ script या कुछ, और फिर मेरे को लगता है कि यार अब मैं तो सोच नहीं पा रही as a 22-year-old, अब तो मैं हो चुकी हूँ बुढ़ी. And also how to expect that everybody has रट्टोड हम आपके हैं कौन लाइक आई हैव कि वो वाले रेफरेंसेस भी तो अब कम
Yeah.
जैसे जैसे हम बड़े हो रहे हैं. एंड नाउ इफ एवरीबडी इज पार्ट ऑफ द सेम पॉप कल्चर इन आवर जनरेशन, ऐसा हो ही सकता है आपने जो सोचा है वो मेरे दिमाग में भी आया ये थॉट. सो हु इज विनिंग दिस ओरिजिनलिटी रेस?
The moment the idea strikes and you make it, oh, that's the only person who's winning the originality race. Because there's so many times when I'll think of an idea and it'll be in my notes. Like recently, Vishnu did this really funny video of ki na na tu pad le saganda lifafa pad le tu nahi na main. I had written the same thing in my notes. And it is both coming from lived experiences,
Yeah,
right? He
yeah.
has a certain perspective of this because he's lived it. I have a certain perspective of it. And literally, when I saw it, I just laughed to myself that he did it because, he got the idea, he made it, and I sat on it. It's literally that. You cannot rob someone of their lived experiences and say that, just because I have had this experience, you can't seem to have had that experience. But at the same time, I would like to say that creators of a particular region will probably have overlapping content, and there is absolutely nothing you can do about it.
And that should be okay, right? Because like how can they not?
Yeah, you've been shamed by aunties. I've been shamed by auntie.
बिल्कुल,
You've
बिल्कुल.
had relatives who've been interfering. I've had relatives. You've had body issues. I have had body issues. So, like, there are things that are, uniform across the board. And since you're talking about originality, and it's happening a lot nowadays because, reels with Instagram reels, and if you could
बिल्कुल.
talk about TikTok, Instagram reels, you have only about 30 seconds to have people's attention,
Yes.
wherein you can't do very complicated content ideas. So you have to do content ideas that are relatable,
Yeah.
that people will engage with, because at the end of the day, it is an engagement game. It is the way, it is like trying to beat the algo, right? That is
Yeah.
what everybody's talking about every single day of their life.
Hate it.
Yeah, so you have to imagine that there is a very 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 strong chance that when you look at a certain kind of filter and you look at a certain kind of effect, same ideas come to your mind.
Mm.
And it
Yeah.
is possible. There are so many things, and a lot of times I feel you also internalize people's content, like
Yeah.
Aishwarya Mohan Raj, for instance. Like, I love her stand up, and
Mm.
she had done this bit about where she lies, where you like have excuses for
Yeah.
your mother. So
Yeah.
I also made some content around it, I think, after her stand up. And सबसे ज़्यादा the people who want to watch the world burn are the followers. ये तुमने कॉपी किया ये, and I would be like, what? No, like मम्मी को excuse तो सब देते हैं यार.
सही
And
बात है, सही
I
बात है.
had the most wholesome conversation with Aishwarya about it, which was, I feel as long as creators are okay with each other about this, it's cool. But obviously, if some creator feels like some of their stuff has been picked up and without like due credits, and it's shockingly similar,
Mm.
so I understand. I feel like everybody's feelings about this are valid. I feel if somebody has blatantly copied something and you want to sort of and if they're not acknowledging the fact that after you repeatedly texting them, they're not acknowledging the fact that yes, it does bear some sort of resemblance, I feel like you do what you have to do. So you do you, man.
The other day, I tweeted something to the effect of which happened to me. Somebody pointed out to me that OMFG stands for Oh My Friend Ganesha. And my and my word hasn't been the same since. और मुझे बहुत funny लगी ये बात और मैंने ये tweet करा क्योंकि उसी दिन मुझे किसी ने बताया था. And then somebody said ये हो चुका है. मैं क्या मतलब है इसका? That this joke has been done before. And I'm like, अरे but this happened to me today only. Now what to do?
Everyone's entitled to a new discovery, like everyone's entitled to a discovery, a journey
Yeah.
of a joke.
Yeah.
And there is a very big possibility that a joke comes to you, maybe it comes to somebody first and it comes to someone maybe
Yeah.
a decade later.
Yeah.
And I feel that's how even trends work, right?
Yeah.
Most of the trends you see in fashion also, because I've been a fashion forecaster
Of
for like
course.
years, and I've co-authored books on fashion forecasting. Nothing is original. Everything is inspired by the past, and it's only informed by the events that are happening around you. So, as somebody who has academic knowledge on this, I can tell you nothing is original, and
Enough.
everything is a reference to the past. At the same time, I would like to say one joke can come to millions of people on different dates, and there is no way you can invalidate.
Touche. Touche.